Cracking the wrong shell guarantees your recipe will fail. Defaulting to a single ingredient ignores a vast spectrum of fat-to-water ratios across 9 distinct bird eggs that dictate whether your recipe achieves rich perfection or ultimately collapses. The chicken egg is the global culinary baseline. We rely on this single ingredient out of habit, a practice that stretches back millennia. Harvesting of chicken eggs for food began in Southeast Asia by 1500 BCE. Since then, they have become the most widely consumed fowl eggs on Earth. Global production reached an estimated 62.1 million from a staggering flock of 6.4 billion in 2009. Their standardized fat ratio makes them highly versatile in the kitchen. They can reliably bind and leaven adequately for daily cooking. However, this very standardization limits their potential for extreme richness. While health trends once unfairly shaped their legacy, their standardized fat ratio remains their defining culinary trait. Animal welfare practices are continually evolving alongside our consumption. In 2012, the European Union banned battery husbandry of chickens, shifting global production standards toward better environments. When we look at the chicken versus quail fat ratio, the standard chicken egg sets a reliable middle ground benchmark, but it leaves tremendous room for culinary improvement by exploring other shells. The quail egg completely disrupts the standard chicken egg ratio by packing a vastly higher yolk-to-white percentage. These are bite-sized bombs of concentrated, rich fat. Their dense nutritional profile and tiny footprint make them ideal for fast, flavorful applications globally. In the Philippines, quail eggs are transformed into a massively popular street food called kwek kwek. This preparation consists of soft-boiled eggs dipped in a vibrant orange-colored batter and rapidly deep-fried. The kwek kwek street food showcases a crisp exterior that yields to an incredibly rich, creamy center. Across South America, specifically in Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, and Venezuela, a single hard-boiled quail egg serves as a common decadent topping for hot dogs and hamburgers. The high fat density cuts through the savory meats perfectly. Their utility extends seamlessly into high-end gastronomy. In Japanese cuisine, they are sometimes used raw or cooked as tamago in sushi, and often found in bento lunches. That provides a luxurious, heavy mouthfeel that a standard chicken egg simply cannot replicate in such a compact volume.
The duck egg is the baker's absolute secret weapon for superior structural design. Duck eggs are eaten regularly around the world, though they remain much less common than chicken eggs. Their true value lies in their specialized, highly functional chemistry. Duck eggs boast a notably superior fat content in the yolk and a distinctly thicker albumin, or egg white. This physical difference changes the fundamental science of baking. When whipped, the thicker albumin builds drastically stronger gluten networks. The albumin interacting with flour proteins creates immense structural stability that traps more air during the leavening process. This specific results in noticeably fluffier cakes and loftier pastries. The additional fat in the yolk simultaneously shortens the crumb, making baked goods remarkably tender while maintaining their height. If a recipe calls for a powerful rise and a rich finish, swapping the baseline chicken egg for a duck egg is a definitive, scientifically sound culinary upgrade.
The goose egg represents a massive, luxurious upgrade over even the highly prized duck egg. Goose eggs are an edible egg variety that grow noticeably larger than standard chicken eggs. The sheer volume is visually impressive, but the internal composition is what truly matters for superior cooking. They offer an intensely rich, oily yolk that acts as a profound emulsifier. This makes them the ideal choice for creating the ultimate premium pasta dough. When the yolk combines with finely milled flour, it coats the starch granules far more effectively than a standard egg. The fat coating starch granules ensures the resulting dough is incredibly supple, boasting a deep golden hue and a silken texture that completely resists tearing during extrusion. By leveraging the specific lipid profile of a goose egg, chefs bypass the watery limitations of everyday eggs to engineer a flawlessly rich, hydrated carbohydrate structure.
The turkey egg is a viable, edible poultry egg alternative that introduces unique mechanical properties in the kitchen. They yield a creamy flavor profile that stands distinct from the baseline chicken egg. However, their true defining physical feature is a uniquely thick inner membrane. This biological barrier alters the poaching and boiling process entirely. When submerged in simmering water, the heavy membrane regulates heat transfer and moisture exchange differently than thinner shells. The heat-penetrating turkey egg membrane requires precise timing adjustments from the chef. Once mastered, the structural integrity of the poached turkey egg is exceptional. It holds its shape beautifully in the turbulent water without feathering into messy white strands. This makes the turkey egg a structurally superior choice for delicate, high-end plating, where the egg must remain flawlessly intact upon presentation. The pheasant egg is another highly viable poultry alternative, introducing a distinct gamey flavor profile to the culinary palate. Unlike the relatively neutral taste of heavily domesticated fowl, the pheasant's wilder diet permanently influences its internal chemistry. They feature deeply colored, exceptionally nutrient-dense yolks. The reveals dark orange centers that are visually striking and carry a robust, earthy richness. This specific flavor profile naturally elevates simple rustic dishes, pairing perfectly with earthy foraged mushrooms and thickly sliced cured meats. The cuts through heavy starches, providing a complex depth of flavor that cannot be achieved with standard grocery store offerings. Using a pheasant egg transforms a basic fry or scramble into a highly specialized, location-driven culinary experience. The emu egg is a stunning edible poultry alternative characterized by its striking green shell. The visual impact is immediate, but the internal architectural ratio is the true culinary marvel. An emu egg consists of almost equal parts yolk and white. This rare 50-50 ratio completely upends traditional baking math, which usually relies on the water-heavy whites of chicken eggs. The beautifully balanced lipid-to-protein structure creates an unmatched, airy texture when whipped. This makes the emu egg the ultimate ingredient for engineering incredibly frothy, towering desserts. The emu 50-50 ratio versus chicken 33-67 ratio allows for highly stable foams that retain a rich, creamy mouthfeel without collapsing under their own weight. One emu egg provides enough sheer volume to replace a dozen standard eggs, fundamentally streamlining large-scale premium dessert preparation. The green emu eggshell signals an entirely different class of ingredient long before it is even cracked. The ostrich egg is the largest egg laid by any living bird on the planet. To put its massive scale into perspective, a single ostrich egg roughly equals 24 in volume. While they are the modern giants, they were historically exceeded in size by the eggs of the extinct elephant bird, or Aepyornis, and the moa, known scientifically as Dinornis. Beyond their staggering culinary yield, ostrich eggshells have a long history of being used by humans as durable containers and for intricate decorative artwork, including beads. In the modern kitchen, this massive ingredient behaves counterintuitively. Despite its heavy, fortress-like shell, the internal liquid yields surprisingly light scrambles. The protein structure of the massive white whips easily. This giant egg actually produces a delicate, fluffy curd when cooked slowly over low heat. The ostrich egg being scrambled demonstrates how tremendous size does not necessarily equate to heavy density. The pigeon egg and gull egg, alongside rheas, are lesser-known edible bird eggs that serve as highly prized wild cards in elite gastronomy. Unlike standardized farming, the production of these wild and semi-wild eggs results in highly unique, diet-driven flavor notes. A gull egg frequently offers a complex coastal finish reflecting its maritime environment. These fleeting seasonal ingredients require incredibly precise handling, as their delicate fat ratios demand rapid, gentle cooking. By understanding the specific fat-to-water ratios of these 9 eggs, you can stop guessing in the kitchen. You can move entirely beyond the baseline, utilizing duck for its exceptionally strong structure or goose for remarkably rich pasta dough. The specific shell you crack dictates the final chemical makeup of your food, allowing you to design definitively better dishes.